Okay, we have our table. But now we want to move on to a form. But what is a form? A form is a prettier way of entering data into the table. How do you create a form? I have my table and I said it's a prettier way of entering data. So instead of typing data into my table, instead of entering data into my table, I can create a form to enter the data. So first thing, click Tab Create. Click on the arrow next to More Forms. Click Form Wizard. A window appears. Select your table. My table is called First Table. Click on the double arrow so that all the names on this side move to the second box. Click Next. Choose one of the layouts. Normally you choose columnar. Click Next. Choose any style. Click Next. Type in a name for your form. Instead of calling First Table, I'm going to change it to First Form. And finally, click Finish. Notice it has all of my data. It has the first record of my data. So we have Renee, Harry, and if I open my table, first one is Renee, Harry. Let me close my table. So this is our form. If I close a form, notice again, on the left hand side, my form appears. Double click, it reappears. At the bottom of your window, you will see record and a few arrows. I'm going to click on the arrow that points to the right. And notice it's moved to another person. Again, move to somebody else. But what if I wanted a blank set of boxes? You'll notice there's an arrow with a little star next to it, a yellow star. Click on it and all the boxes go blank. And I can type. But where does this data go? Let me close the form. Open my table and look. My last person is there. Terry Jacob, who I typed in my form, appears in my table. Therefore, the forms and the tables are connected. So whatever I type in the form will appear in my table. Finally, How many forms can you create? Since the table and form is connected, there should be one form for every table that you have. So my database only had one table. Therefore, I should only have one form.